Hey guys, my name is Chiusfy, and today's video is going to be a tutorial about how to make Fortnite highlight videos in Premiere Pro very quickly, which is basically around 30 minutes, but if you'll practice more then you'll be able to create highlights in 15-20 minutes. So first things first, drop a like and follow me on my Twitter and YouTube to see more features about editing softwares like After Effects and Sony Vegas, where if you want I will show the same video about quick editing too. So open your Premiere Pro, create a new project, set the project settings. You can copy them if you want, but the main condition is that it should be 60 FPS. Here is the Premiere Pro workflow, so I advise you go to the FX mode, which is really comfortable for quick editing. Here is a program panel when you're gonna drop your files, like your clips, folders, transitions, idents, intros, outros, and etc. Drop song and create the sequence. Here are the settings too. Now I have to drop and trim the clips. So cut on where the bullets were fired. You can see it by like an ammo panel when an amount changed. Repeat that thing with all your clips and divide them on two groups by the timeline. For example, good clips will be on the left side and bad clips on the right one. Also, I'm gonna rename it, for example, U as used, so I'll not use this clip again. So this clip was pretty nice because he killed extra read, so I'm gonna drag it to the left side. Now after it is done, highlight the clips, right click and tap 2 times on S key to choose scale clips and then click enter on the keyboard. So now there is an appropriative aspect ratio. Now find the first beat drop, mark it and leave it around 4 or 5 seconds for the intro. So now I'm gonna take the best clip, drag it on a marker. Drop your ident and create an intro with the best clip. So now I've done my intro. Now it looks like this. Now I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna press Ctrl A and drag the clip to the very start. You have to put the markers on the song, so max amount should be the same like the number of the clips. One more feature is that you're gonna use any colors of the markers. For example, I use blue for the beat drops, green for good clips, white for the bad ones, when for example there is no beat, no bass in the song, and orange for every 10th marker so I could see how many markers I put already. Also, I'm gonna speed up this part of the video when I'm putting the markers. Okay, now drag clips to the appropriate markers. Expand them to the previous clip. Cut clips on kick for the transitions.
This shit high, boy.
Now create an adjustment layer. Trim to 2 seconds. Put the marker in the middle, so there is going to be a main shake, flicker velocity and other effects. First 60 frames is going to be AFK, but it's enough for the pre-effects. Now put the FX presets on the adjustment layer, but make sure that they start on this marker of your adjustment layer, so one frame before the marker set your FX to 0 to turn them off. For example, here I'm gonna show you some velocity, shake and flicker, so you could see how it works actually. Now drag this adjustment layer on the markers, cut the clips at the previous 60 frames and drag the clip on the second track. And repeat for the other clips. Usually I don't apply effects for the white markers, so I'm skipping them. Now highlight all the effects by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard and clipping left button on the mouse. Ctrl C to copy your FX settings. Highlight all the clips on your second track, then Ctrl V to paste the FX. Now I'm editing my presets, which I'm not gonna show in this video, but I will drop a pack soon with this and many other FX presets for the several softwares. Also there are gonna be editing softwares, plugins, motion and graphic design project files, overlays and many exclusive tutorials on editing, features, channel managing, etc. So wait for the pack, stay tuned. Dragging back on the first layer, because otherwise there will be the black screen.
You know that the whip got 2 doors. Wild card better than my purse like Uno. My neck froze like.
That's transitions. Now I'll blur this part of the video, but I will also drop them on my pack.
You know that the whip got 2 doors. Wild card better than my purse like Uno. My neck froze like Pluto. Beat a nigga ass like sumo. Got a bad bitch, need 2 more. Free champagne in the limo. She got her head out the window. Shawty get low, limbo. Touch it, 10 toes. I just bought a bitch, new clothes. Hit it from the back, bulldoze. I ain't never gon' broke hoe. Self gang, move fast, no slow-mo. My clique, my team, street code. Always keep the dogs in attack mode. String 10 mil, no promo. I don't get my dough, get my dough. I don't really care how many niggas you know. I'm getting my dough, get my dough. I don't give a fuck.
Now I'm gonna add some additive effects, but if you want, you can leave it like that, because it already looks clean. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to see more editing features tutorials. Bye bye.